Hey, it's Jack. Thursday morning. I'm looking at the market today. Now, we had the CPI and PPI coming out. I think that stuff is a joke, right? Because I don't believe the economists can get that number exactly right. But from what they're saying so far, it looks like inflation is cooling off a little bit. So that doesn't mean that the Fed won't raise another rate hike here in July. But what it does mean is that the market has been shrugging off this inflation data for quite a while. If you look at NASDAQ, the index QQQ, that's up huge this year in the face of all this negative news, in the face of all these talking heads, in the face of all these so-called experts. Now, here's a tip for you. One of the best things you can do is tune out the nonsense and the noise and simply look at the market, use the chart setup I gave you in the other video, and gauge, is the market bullish or bearish, and then look at stocks that are doing really good. You can look at some new highs with the intent looking for the new high is to find a stock that's been trending real great. One of the best trends, if I could take a trend and implant that picture in your mind so that when you saw that trend, you reacted by buying the stock. As I said, now for 2 weeks, META would be that trend. Just pull META up in a 6-month chart and you'll see that it's trending perfectly. And if you're trading stocks, that's what you want if you're buying that stock. If you're trading options, the best thing to do might be to flip it around and not buy the option instead of the stock, but use the stock as the basis for an income strategy using options. That's my best tip for you. Like with Meta, I didn't buy the stock, but I used the stock to create an income trade using options. And that's what it's all about for me. I think you'll find it more profitable and less stressful, especially if you tune out the nonsense and the noise. Just look at what you see in the chart setup and react appropriately. And I'll teach you everything you need to know to do that. So just stick around.